Testing a rough diamond, uncut, unpolished diamond, can be done using a few simple at-home methods and professional techniques. Here's a complete guide. How to test a rough diamond. 1. Visual inspection. Crystal shape. Rough diamonds typically have an octahedral shape, two pyramids joined at the base. Greasy look. Real diamonds have a slightly greasy or oily appearance. Transparency. They are often translucent, not clear like glass. No perfect sparkle. Rough diamonds don't sparkle like cut diamonds. 2. Water drop test. Drop the stone in a glass of water. A real diamond will sink quickly due to its high density. Fake stones, like quartz or glass, may float or sink slowly. 3. Scratch test. Diamonds are the hardest natural material, Mohs 10. Try scratching glass or ceramic with the stone. If it scratches the surface easily, it might be a diamond. Caution. This test is not conclusive and might damage your stone. 4. Heat test. Heat the stone with a lighter for 30 to 60 seconds. Drop it into cold water. Real diamonds won't break or shatter due to high thermal resistance. Fakes like quartz or cubic zirconia may crack or explode. 5. Loupe inspection, 10 magnifier, look for natural flaws or inclusions. Fake stones often look perfect or have air bubbles. Diamonds have sharp edges and cleavage lines. 6. Conductivity test, using a diamond tester. A diamond tester measures thermal or electrical conductivity. Real diamonds conduct heat well. Moissanite can also pass this test. Use a multi-tester to distinguish. 7. UV light test. Under UV light, black light, some diamonds show a blue fluorescence. This is not definitive, but can help support other tests. 8. Professional lab testing. For 100% confirmation, consider GIA Gemological Institute of America testing, X-ray diffraction, spectroscopy. These methods can definitively identify a rough diamond. Final tips. Use multiple tests for accuracy. Don't rely on just one method. Be careful with valuable stones. Avoid damaging them.